good morning, guys. So it's morning hours, and I'm super excited today because I have something good for you. Because I'll be doing a vlog today, something that I've never had before since I started YouTube. So I'm so excited. It's on Saturday, and I feel like I need some skincare and all that. So I'll be heading out, and yeah, I'm gonna be having some facial treatment. Okay, so I'll be heading out with you, but before then I'm going to be making some breakfast. So is it okay? It will be kukula kitu. So I'm going to be heading out after making breakfast and preparing myself. So stick around and spend the day with me. Okay, now let's make our breakfast. So I'm going to whisk my eggs, and then I'm going to toast them for my breakfast, and then I take with a coffee, with a black coffee, because but then I feel taking with tea it's too much of protein and all that. So I would rather stick with black coffee and some toasted bread, I mean. So I'm going to light our gas, yeah, and then put some oil. I'll start by toasting my egg, the bread that I'm having. So I'm going to get started. Nikimkata yangu hapo, and then will be good to go. Let me show you what I'm doing. At least you can get an idea from it, and then put it off to the pan. Like that. So at least we're able to and just place 2 of them, and things will be okay. So guys, my breakfast is ready. I've just served it, yeah, and yeah, I'm about to take my breakfast and then I head out. Then after I'm done, I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so guys, I'm done with everything. So I've dressed up, nasikia kuna baridi kidogo, nimevaa jacket. So I'm going to head out, and then I'm going to show you what is going to go down. Okay, let me see you there. Come with me, guys. So guys, nimefika. This is the spa. Alright, this is the place where every self-care takes place. Skin self-care takes place. So yeah, so I'm waiting for the lady who does facial and all that. So at least we can get down to this. Okay, see you when she comes. sorry guys, it's been a long day, but I've really enjoyed the whole process. As you can see, the transformation also, it's real, and I feel so fresh. So if you just liked the video, just comment up below, tell me what other vlog do you want me to do, so I'll be available, I'll be there for you guys. So I'm so happy for you guys for supporting me, and thank you so much. So for the subscribers who haven't, for the viewers who haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. It's a goodbye from me and you. Bye.